Hey kids, so I'll give you all a sneak peek of a couple boxes we're doing for the giveaway. They're really cool. They're little guys, but hey, they're handmade by me. These are poplar boxes and cedar tops. I think that cedar turned out pretty good. Really smooth. One's just a hair longer than the other one, but I planned it that way. So, yeah, that's a couple of them. Got one more to make them. Give 3 away to 3 lucky people, if you want to call them. All right, that's it. Thanks.